Tihar Jail Administration has submitted a factual report as per the orders of the High Court regarding his health condition. According to the reports, AAP's narrative was based on the purported treatment conducted by a private clinic in Telangana. During the hearing, the ED claimed that Arvind Kejriwal was consuming high sugar food to elevate his blood sugar level to secure medical bail. On Friday, the Delhi Chief Minister stated in court that he had consumed mangoes thrice and aloo puri once. After that, now AAP Minister Atishi alleged an attempt to harm Kejriwal while he's in Tihar jail, asserting that his blood sugar levels have been fluctuating. She also blamed Tihar jail authorities for not providing him with insulin, further claiming an attempt to kill the Chief Minister. The political potboiler around the controversy continues to spiral. Here's a comprehensive report as to what happened so far. Take a look.
The political firestorm over the Delhi liquor scam case continues to grow. Following the intense disputes and uproar surrounding Kejriwal's consumption of sweets, Tihar jail has now submitted their factual report as per the order of the Delhi court during the hearing of a plea filed by Kejriwal. The medical report states that the Delhi CM informed the doctors that he had ceased taking insulin as advised by a doctor in Telangana. According to the MLC report, he was not advised to take insulin and his blood sugar levels are not concerning. On the other hand, questions arise as to why the Delhi CM, after praising the medical infrastructure of the state, is seeking treatment outside the state. Contrary to AAP's claims, the report indicates that the entire narrative regarding Kejriwal's blood sugar level is solely based on treatment conducted by a private clinic in Telangana. AAP has now raised a new issue alleging that Kejriwal is being pushed towards a slow death. Tihar jail denying him insulin, and AAP asserts that a new conspiracy is being hatched to kill Arvind Kejriwal.
देखिए, बड़ी सीधी सी बात है, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को करीब 20-22 साल से डायबिटीज़ है जी। 12 साल से वो इंसुलिन पे हैं। एक बार मरीज इंसुलिन पे चला जाता है तो और उसकी शुगर अनकंट्रोल्ड होती है तो उसको इंसुलिन ही असर करती है और कोई असर नहीं करता। दिल्ली में हर परिवार में एक डायबिटीज़ का मरीज है, लोग सब जानते हैं। अगर उनकी शुगर खाना खाने के 3 घंटे बाद भी 320 पहुंच रही है, 300 पहुंच रही है, लगातार शुगर 300 के आसपास चल रही है और वो कह रहे हैं कि मुझे इंसुलिन दीजिए, जेल प्रशासन उनको इंसुलिन क्यों नहीं दे रहा? उन्होंने डॉक्टर से कहा, इंसुलिन नहीं दी, जेल प्रशासन को कहा, इंसुलिन नहीं दी। क्या कारण है कि उनको इंसुलिन रोकी जा रही है?
AAP leader Gopal Rai lashed out at PM Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah, asking them to get themselves involved in politics but not to jeopardize Arvind Kejriwal's life.
केवल हाथ जोड़ के इतनी ही विनती है देश के प्रधानमंत्री जी से, देश के गृह मंत्री जी से और एलजी साहब से, आपको राजनीति जितना करना है करिए। रोजाना आप चिट्ठी जारी करते हैं, करते रहिए। रोजाना मीडिया में बयान जारी करते हैं, करते रहिए। दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल की जिंदगी से मत खेलिए आप।
Atishi alleged that the Bharatiya Janata Party is attempting to worsen Kejriwal's health through its affiliated organization ED.
अपने शुगर लेवल को कंट्रोल में रखने के लिए अरविंद केजरीवाल जी रोज 54 यूनिट 54 यूनिट्स इंसुलिन के लेते हैं और यही कारण है कि कोर्ट ने भी अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को घर का खाना अलाउ किया, डॉक्टर द्वारा प्रिस्क्राइब्ड खाना अलाउ किया। लेकिन आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी अपने अनुषांगिक संगठन ईडी के माध्यम से अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के स्वास्थ्य को बिगाड़ने की कोशिश कर रही है, उनका घर का खाना रोकने की कोशिश कर रही है।
Prior to this, Kejriwal filed a fresh plea seeking direction to jail authorities to administer insulin and allow him to consult with his doctor through video conferencing daily for 15 minutes. Responding to the case, ED made the claim in front of Special Judge for CBI and ED cases Kaveri Bavija, who instructed the Tihar Jail authorities to submit a report on the matter, which includes Kejriwal's diet chart. However, Kejriwal's lawyer denied the allegation levelled by the Enforcement Directorate.
Requesting the court to allow Mr. Kejriwal to consult his lawyer, a doctor who was treating him for the last many years. So that request was opposed by the Superintendent Jail through their lawyer, and even ED opposed that request. So the matter is fixed for Monday for orders.
As the AAP Supremo continues to teeter on the edge, the party and the ED are now waiting for the orders from the High Court regarding the plea filed by the Delhi Chief Minister. Bureau Report, Republic TV.
Well, joining us is my colleague Simran from New Delhi. A very good morning to you, Simran. Simran, now what is the real story? As far as my knowledge goes, if you have diabetes for the last 21 years, you are on insulin, you cannot abruptly stop it. And we are being told that his sugar level is going up to 300. So why is he not being given insulin, or why is he not being allowed to consult his doctors?
Well, yes, as you have said, to the common knowledge, this has been obviously the notion. But right now, the politics over the liquor scam from Mangoes has now shifted to the insulin levels of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Right now, the entire take of charge between the AAP and the BJP has been hooked on the insulin levels and the fight over the insulin for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in the custody in Tihar Jail. Recently, the report also, which we have shown and exclusively reported as well from the Tihar Jail, shows that Arvind Kejriwal rather had stopped taking insulin few months ago when the doctor from Telangana had advised him to do so. And right now, the entire controversy that has been brewing up because of the charges that have been levelled by AAP against the BJP for granting Arvind Kejriwal insulin inside the jail, and also accusing the BJP, DLG and the Tihar jail authorities for not letting Arvind Kejriwal get insulin because he has been suffering from diabetes from the past 20 to 22 years. It remains actually a pot boiler for also both the parties right now, whether Arvind Kejriwal is trying to seek bail on the medical grounds, which is also one of the key arguments by the ED. The court where Arvind Kejriwal had moved his plea in Delhi, seeking that he needs to be granted bail on the medical grounds, actually stirred this entire row after the ED also came out and said that Arvind Kejriwal is deliberately consuming mangoes inside the custody in the Tihar jail, which is leading to an increase in his insulin levels or in his blood sugar levels, and that is why he's trying to be purposely being sick to get medical bail. However, this claim definitely has been one of the key responses from the AAP, saying that this is not the way anyone would want to actually be getting out, because the ED is not able to find any concrete evidence against the Delhi Chief Minister in the excise policy and the liquor scam. That is why all these attempts are made to push him to a slow death. It remains to be seen, however, how this entire controversy after Mangoes now actually brims up for the insulin levels of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. The Delhi court, however, has reserved its order for April 22nd, and now only time is going to tell how the court is also going to maintain the order for the further action in the story.